Nike and Adidas are two of the biggest sportswear companies on the planet, and both have their own line of fitness apps. In this video, I'll be comparing the Nike Training Club app with the ADIDAS Training app, share with you 4 reasons why you should pick each one, and then at the end, give you my personal recommendation. First, let's start with Nike Training Club. And if you want to see my full review and tutorial on that app, go ahead and check out this video right over here. Nike Training Club reason number 1, better trainer-led workouts. Both Nike and Adidas offer trainer-led classes in which you follow along with the instructor during the entire workout. However, there's a big difference in how this is executed between the two apps. In many of the workouts on Adidas Training, the instructor is silent. There are a few workouts where this isn't the case, but it is definitely noticeable in most of them, especially since there are only about 25 guided workouts available. This is very different from Nike Training Club, since many of its workouts feature a trainer actually talking to you directly throughout the entire workout, explaining how to perform exercises with correct form, and providing encouragement.
Perfect! All right, cool.
There are also over 400 of these trainer-led classes available, which is a significantly larger library than that of Adidas. Also, a feature that's available with Nike's trainer-led workouts is that you're able to choose whatever music you want to play in the background, whereas with the Adidas Training app, you can't control that. Nike Training Club reason number 2, better workout browsing experience. With Nike Training Club, you're able to browse and select workouts by muscle group, workout focus, equipment, and more. Making a selection in any of these categories also allows you to filter criteria further with intensity, format, level, and duration. This makes it really easy for you to find a workout suited to your needs. With Adidas Training, browsing workouts is less organized. The Workouts tab will show you various workout options listed under different categories, but it just doesn't feel helpful if you're looking for something specific. You can browse all workouts at the bottom, but again, the workouts aren't organized in a way that's helpful or that you can filter through. For that reason, Nike Training Club is a better option here. Nike Training Club reason number 3, programs. Both Nike Training Club and Adidas Training offer workout programs to help you achieve certain goals like building your strength and improving your endurance. With Nike Training Club, all of these programs are free and feature a Nike coach who's meant to guide you throughout the entire program. There's videos throughout the program where they speak directly to you and explain what's to come, helpful resources for you to read through related to your program, and of course, workouts guided by the instructor themselves. The programs here feel much more personalized and comprehensive than those of Adidas Training. With Adidas Training, the plans are essentially just exercises selected for you to perform and lack that personal touch that Nike provides. Also, many of the programs on Adidas Training are locked unless you upgrade to Premium, which is another reason Nike looks like a better option here. Nike Training Club reason number 4, equipment workouts. Nike Training Club features workouts that have you make use of a wide range of equipment. This includes dumbbells, medicine balls, stability balls, and more. The only caveat with Nike here is that you can't filter for these specific pieces of equipment, but nonetheless, it's nice to have equipment as an option at all, especially if you're trying to build strength. With Adidas Training and the Workout Creator tool, which we'll explain more about later, the only equipment options you have are no equipment or resistance bands. And even when you select resistance bands, you see that only 11 exercises are found. So there really aren't many options here when it comes to equipment-based workouts. In the guided workouts section, there are only around 2 workouts that feature equipment at all. So if using equipment is important to you, Nike Training Club is the better choice. Now that I've shared with you 4 reasons why you should pick Nike Training Club, let me share with you 4 reasons why you should pick Adidas Training. And if you want to see my review and tutorial on the Adidas Training app, go ahead and check out this video right over here. Adidas Training reason number 1, better self-guided workouts. While Nike Training Club excelled when it came to trainer-led workouts, I think the Adidas Training app is much better when it comes to self-guided workouts. The design and aesthetic is much more engaging and easier to follow along with than Nike Training Club's whiteboard workouts. The emphasis on video with the loop demonstration, progress bars, and timers are all super helpful. Also, tapping on the little play button icon on the bottom right gives you a quick and easy tutorial on how to perform the movement. This just feels much more engaging than Nike's, since there, the look feels very text-heavy and less dynamic. So if you're looking for self-guided workouts, the Adidas Training app is the better option here. Adidas Training app reason number 2, Workout Creator. The Adidas Training app features a Workout Creator, which is a very unique tool in that you're able to create a workout based on specific criteria, such as duration, targeted body parts, and difficulty. Generating a workout will give you a list of exercises for you to complete that you can also customize if you'd like. No tool like this exists on the Nike Training Club app, so if you want to create custom workouts, the Adidas Training app can do just that. Adidas Training app reason number 3, Exercise Library. Unlike Nike Training Club, the ADIDAS Training app also features an exercise library so you can see all the different exercises you can perform for different target areas, along with details on how to perform them and video demonstrations. I think this tool is extremely helpful if you want to explore all the different movements you can try out to build your strength and endurance. ADIDAS Training App reason number 4, progress pictures. Another feature unique to the ADIDAS Training app is the ability to take progress pictures. It really reinforces the idea that the app is meant to help support you with your fitness goals. And if pictures are a way to help you measure your progress, it's nice that this app allows you to do so. Personal recommendation. It's really hard to say one app is better than the other here because both are very strong for very different reasons. I'd say Nike Training Club is the better app here if you prefer trainer-led classes, programming, and using equipment, while the ADIDAS Training app is the better option if you prefer self-guided workouts and want to do more bodyweight training. For me personally, when I use a fitness app, I prefer self-guided workouts over trainer-led ones. And the way the ADIDAS Training app presents this is much more engaging, and the Workout Creator and Exercise Library offer a lot of options to explore. But that's just me. What about you? Which app do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more fitness app content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.